Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change out the battery in your Honda key fob. So to start out, we're just going to flip it over, and you can see this little tab right here. We're just going to slide it over to the left and then pull out on the top here at the same time. And when you pull that out, you see there's two little tabs right here. There's a tab right there. And what you want to do is you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and you're going to want to put it between those two tabs, and we're going to do just like a twisting motion to break them apart. But before we do that, we're going to lay the key fob down, button side down on a flat surface. And the reason for that is if you twist it apart and you drop a piece, these buttons can come flying out, and then you have to stick them back in. So it's just easier and safer to place it face down and then put the screwdriver in there and pry the two pieces apart. And then just open it up, and right here's your battery. It's a positive side up, and we're going to take this screwdriver again, and we're going to come from the top here, and we're going to stick it between the battery and the black plastic right there. We're going to go underneath it and pry it out, but again, we're going to lay it down when we do that so we don't drop it. And it loosens it up, and then you can just pick it right out of there. And then I got my new battery here. I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a direct replacement battery, same brand and everything. And I'll put a link in the description below where I got this. And you just want to open it up. Alright, and again, positive side on top. Stick it into that portion first, and then just press down on it, and it clicks right in. And then you're going to take your back half of the key fob and just line it up with the edges, and you want to press down until you hear the clicking, and then check around all the edges to make sure that it looks like it's uniform. That way we know it's all clicked in and secure. And then take your key and stick it back into the slot and press down until it clicks. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace the battery. Thanks for watching.